So let's look at Chapter 6, Primary Challenge Math, Problem 2. So in Problem 2, we have some cereal, and it'll last 12 days for 3 people. Okay. How long will it last for 4 people? And sometimes Zaccaro uses the idea of think one. And so if we write this out, we might think, well, how long will it last for one person? How many meals are there? Okay. And then we can decide how many there are for 4. And so if you draw it out for yourself, you'll say, well, I've got 3 people. Let's see if we can zoom in a little bit more. Okay, we'll zoom in a little bit more. And we've got these 3 people. Three people there for 12 days. 1, 2, we'll put a bunch of dots in there through 12 days. And so on the first day, shredded wheat, shredded wheat, shredded wheat. 3 meals get eaten. 3 more meals get eaten. Okay? Every day 3 meals until the last day. They're getting sick of shredded wheat. They've eaten 3 meals of shredded wheat for 12 days. So altogether, we have 36 meals. So if you were one person, it would last 36 days. But now we say, well, what if we had 4 people? So let's take a look at that. So we have 4 people. So we have 36 meals altogether. So we say, well, we're going to have 36 meals that we can eat of shredded wheat, these delicious shredded wheat. But now we've got, each day we've got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 people. So the first day, 4 people eat shredded wheat. The next day, 4 people eat. Okay, so the first, the second. So now we know how many total meals there are. And we're using it up 4 meals at a time. So how many is that? And that, of course, is a division problem. We know the total. We know how many are used each day. So we want to find out how many days. So we'd say 36 divided by 4. So there's 9 days worth of food. Now, does that make sense? Are there less days for 4 days, 4 people, than if you have 3 people eating? Yes. So instead of 12 days, you have 9 days. That makes sense. So we like this solution.